Hi YouTube, Roseanya here. In this series, I will be building a Ryzen gaming PC in a pink case for £333.94. Note that this series was recorded in 2022 and prices might not be the same as 2023 prices. Starting off, I need a case, and after looking on eBay, I got this Cooler Master NR200 in pink, and it cost £72.50 including shipping. There is a box, and inside is the tempered glass side panel. It looks absolutely brand new. The case seems to be in the original packaging, which is a single impact hard foam and a bag. Taking off the bag, the case seems to be in really nice condition. It seems to be nearly complete with the drive mounts, magnetic dust filters, PSU mounts, and an accessory box with 2 spare fans. The front panel connector has a helpful piece of plastic to keep all of the connections together, and the top of the case houses the reset button and power button, 2 USB ports, and a headset jack. On the back, there are 3 expansion ports, space for a vertically mounted GPU, and a motherboard I/O cutout. The front pulls off easily, just like the sides, and is made of a thick metal. I see some SSD mounting holes in there. The easier release for the panels works by using this spool on a stick that goes into a clip on the panel, just like this. The sticky tape that holds the magnet strips to the dust filters seems to be losing its stickiness, and I had to adjust a few of them after shipping. Now that I have the case, I can start building the PC. This is where things quickly become cursed and a little bit insane, but I think I'll leave that until next time. Till vi mötes igen. Ha det!